So I thought I was gonna be done, but I had to come back and make this damn video. Uh, Kanye West. I don't know if y'all have seen this video, but I don't know how to fucking link it and all that shit. I'm not good at all that video shit. If someone knows how to do that, hit me up and help me out, because I want to get all technical and shit. I want to make my videos all cool. But anyway, Kanye West. If you see this, the fuck was that video? That was some fucking bullshit. Okay, first of all, I think you're gay. And there's a many of people who do. And the fact that you had to put Kim Kardashian with her big old fake titty, fake blonde haired ass on a motorcycle to simulate that you were fucking her only further enforces the fact that I think you are a homosexual. That video was fucking retarded. That was like 4 minutes. I forgot how long it was. I want them minutes of my life back because that was some bullshit. And I don't know if you've seen the views or the likes and the dislikes on YouTube, but it's got a lot of dislikes. That was fucking retarded. Okay? There wasn't shit sexy about it. Kim Kardashian, ugh. Yo wicked witch ass. Ugh. Go the fuck away. That video was fucking trash. And yeah, that's all I want to say about that real quick. Kanye West, I really hope you see this because that was some fucking bullshit. And I used to respect you back in the day, like back in high school, because I grew up like when you first came out. And yeah, but no, you just lost it. You just too far gone. Call it what you will, call it hating or whatever the fuck you want to, rationalize it in your mind that you've got haters out there and all that bullshit. But that was fucking bullshit. That video was fucking dumb. And let's be real. No. You are not hitting that. I'm sure Ray J was hitting it better than you was. That little stutter. Anyway, yeah. That's all I have to say about that. So yeah.